If you want to hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can go to Gallery. Then in the gallery, we can press and hold our finger on all photos and videos that we wish to hide. Tap on More in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose Move to Secure Folder. If you have set up the secure folder before, you should be able to just simply hide it there. If not, then we need to create the secure folder first, therefore we need to press Continue twice. We need to wait a couple of seconds for the secure folder to be created. Then we should see the information that we need to set up a pattern, pin, or password, so we can press Done. And I'm gonna set up an easy pin code. This is for the secure folder. Alright, then we have the option to reset the access to the secure folder in case we lose the password by using the Samsung account. I'm not gonna allow that, but of course feel free to do so. Let's press OK and let's go next. And alright, we are moving items to secure folder. There we go, items moved. So now in order to access these hidden photos and videos, we need to simply open the secure folder, which can be found in, for instance, the apps screen. There we go, tap on secure folder, and here we need to go to the gallery, and in this place we will find every hidden photo and every hidden video. And in order to take out those photos and videos and make them accessible again without the secure folder, we do the same thing. We select those files, press More, and then we can move out of secure folder. Let's go back to the gallery again, and you can also tap on the photo or video that you wish to move. If you want to move or hide only one, then over here in the top right corner we can tap on these three dots, and we also have the option to move to secure folder. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!